Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Tushar from Canada PR Info and I would like to say many congratulations to those candidates who received ITA from SINP on 29th July 2020. I know that you are waiting for this since very long, but the wait is over now. As you might be aware, SINP conducted draw on 29th July 2020 for occupation in demand and express entry category. In both category, no job offer is required, and the total number of candidates who got invitations to apply for nomination are 248 for occupation in demand category and 254 candidates for express entry category are invited, and SINP cutoff score is 70 for occupation in demand category as well as for the express entry category. It means that if you have SINP points greater than or equal to 70 and if your NOC code is in demand, then you will be eligible to get ITA from this draw. Okay, so here I want to clear that your CRS score for the express entry are different than the SINP points or SINP score. So your selection is totally depends on your SINP score. There is no relation with your CRS score of your express entry points. Moreover, there are 43 NOC codes have been chosen for this draw, and this is the list for this NOC codes. It means that in order to get invitation from SINP, your NOC code must be among from this list and you must have SINP score 70 or higher than that. Okay, so your NOC must be from this, and if you have a score 70 or more than that, then definitely you will be invited for this draw. So again, I would like to say congratulations to all of you those who received ITA from this draw. And one more thing that I want to share with you, I made one video on the score prediction for the future draws. You might have seen this video, and I made it on the 3rd June. And in that video, I predicted that for the upcoming draws, the expected cutoff will be in the range of 67 to 75, and you can see that this is an 100% correct prediction. Okay, now the question is, now what you should do? So those who received ITA, now the next thing is you have to start collecting all the documents, and if you have any queries, then you can write it in the comment section of this video below. And I recommend that you should arrange your all the documents meticulously, means very carefully, so you will not get any additional document request, means ADR, or any additional verification of your proof of employment, of proof of funds, or any of your updated reference letter or work experience letter. And to do that, I would advise that you should watch the following videos. From this video, you will be get to know about what type of fund that will be accepted, as you already applied in SINP, so you are aware with the method. You have already maintained the fund for the since last 3 months in your account. But now the thing is, you have to submit the documents. Fine, so you need to issue the balance letter, balance certificate from your bank. So everything is explained in this video, so I advise that you should watch it before you go to the bank. The next thing is, you have to provide the updated work experience letter, means your reference letter. So if you don't know how to write your reference letter, what is the format, what details that you should include in that, you can watch this video. And if you are not able to obtain the work experience letter from your employer, then what should be the solution that I have explained in this video. Okay, so if you need it, you can watch it. And if you need a second review of your all the documents and your entire file before final submission to the SINP after getting ITA, then you should write your email ID in the comment section of this video. You will be contacted via email. I wish that you all will get SINP nomination and eventually you will become a Canada PR. Okay, and if you are a SINP beginner, you have not received ITA yet, you are planning to apply in SINP PNP program, or you are waiting for the ITA in order to get nomination, then you can explore the following playlist on my YouTube channel, Canada PR Info, and the link is given in the video description box below. And currently it contains 12 different videos, and you will get to know about what is SINP program, how to calculate SINP points, how to submit your SINP expression of interest, what is the current trend analysis, what is the future cutoff predictions, and many other videos related to the SINP. So I hope that if you are a beginner, this will be very useful to you. Okay, and please click on the like button if you like the video, and please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to receive the latest videos and updates about Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program. Okay friends, that's all for this video. Thank you. Best wishes.